Hi lovely, welcome, and if you're new here, my name is Ethiopia Nagash, and today's video will be part 1 of our home makeover videos focusing on our kitchen and pantry. We got our newly built house 4 years ago, has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Because we bought our home after it was completely built, we didn't get to have much say in terms of choosing our cabinet color, flooring, hardware, backsplash, and lightings. So pretty much we got basic everything. We decided to make a home reno, redecorate our entire home with you. If you are interested in this types of videos, we would love for you to follow us through our journey and hit that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, let's get started. As you see here, our kitchen cabinets need some good makeover. The plan for our kitchen is to have the cabinets painted all white and take down 4 of our upper cabinet doors, had it cut to add glass into the doors, which will add a modern look to our kitchen. We will get our backsplash done, change the entire countertop, hardware, faucet, sink, pendant lights, and we will also be looking for a beautiful flush mount light to add above our sink. We are in the market for new oven to get the latest version, and we'll take you shopping on my next video for that. Now we'll move the oven and clean behind it, and I'll take you shopping for new kitchen countertop. We're almost done with cleaning, and I'll be heading to AAA Flooring and More to look at countertops. So already here, we'll take you around and show you what they got. We want all white kitchen, so I'm looking for white countertop with some gray in it, something like this. And I want this waterfall style kitchen island too, so modern. Finally, we decided on choosing this white alabaster quartz, which is this right here, just perfect what we were looking for. I love it. They also have a lot more to choose from. We'll take a look around. Already set up a date for them to come and install our new countertop, and we're very excited. So AAA Flooring and More is located in Monroe, Washington, and they sell hardwood, laminate, carpet, granite, and quartz countertops. I'll make sure to leave all the information under my description below for you, along with a 10% discount code, which is Ethiopia 10, ETHIOPIA 10. I'm back from shopping and on to prepping our pantry for a major makeover that I cannot wait for you all to see. I will start by taking everything out of the pantry, and after that, Dan will remove the shelves.
Fire, you feel my fire, 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 you feel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up.
Part of our pantry makeover is adding wood shelves like this on top and cabinets with nice countertop in the bottom, and add the same backsplash as our kitchen. I will take you to backsplash shopping on my next videos to show you what we will be choosing for our kitchen and pantry.
Fire, let's keep this fire alive. Fire, 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 fire. Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. 'Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what.
Everything out from the pantry. Dan will go ahead and take all the wiring shelves down, prep the wall to be painted. We're going to be painting it the same wall color. I feel like we might change our mind afterwards. Maybe we're thinking to do all white in the pantry, but we will see after they install the cabinets and all that, and we'll make a decision after that. But for now, we're just going to go ahead, take the shelves down, prep the wall and paint it, and get it ready for the guys to bring the shelvings and the cabinet and install it for us.
I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You feel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. Well, all the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together.
Almost done with prepping our pantry. Make sure you subscribe not to miss the upcoming home makeover updates of our entire home, and follow me on Instagram for daily home updates and sneak peeks. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
Let's